In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your Instagram account public. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, this works exactly the same, whether you're on iPhone, Samsung, or Android. So all you gotta do is open up your Instagram application. From here, on the bottom right, click your profile icon. Now, as you can see, my account is currently private, which means only people that I allow to follow me are going to be able to follow me, see my posts, and my following list and all of that stuff. So if I want to make it public now, I just got to press those top three lines on the top right. From here, I want to scroll down, and under who can see your content, you're going to see account privacy. So go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, right now I'm on a private account. And if I want to make it public, all I got to do is toggle it off. And it says switch to public account, and anyone can see your posts, reels, and stories. This won't change who can message, tag, or mention you. And then people can also reuse your content if you want. And then that's it. You switch to public. And now when I go back to my profile, so I'm just going to go now, it's not going to have the lock anymore after I refresh. As you can see, there is no lock. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.